You can pass on your iPhone.
I don't have movie mode. I can't do movies. Okay.
One. A. Hole. Too late. A. Hole. I'm just raising.
I didn't see.
Oh.
For me, it works good to follow it and then bang. But you were doing well waiting for it, right?
Towards the end. I would follow it just a little bit. I'd wait for it to get about midway, and then I'd start following it. So let it come to you a little bit until like right here, and then start moving your aiming, shooting.
A. Hole. A. Hole. Ah.
I can't see where it's going.
Yeah, I'm back.
Definitely not easy.
A.
Oops. Sorry, I pulled.
I thought maybe I can hit you. A. Hole. I'm missing the bullet.
Alright. Let's nail one of these.
A. Hole.
Yeah!
Alright, you clipped
You got it.
I got it?
You
Yeah.
got it.
Ah.
Just barely clipped it.
A. Hole. A. Hole. A. Ah. No.
Alright, well, you got one of them.
Yeah, all right.
I like that ash.
Grab the key.
Yep, got the key. And,
Okay.